Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing really good. I am Arshdeep Singh, aka Data Sailor. I'm making this video to share what is a cloud support engineer and how you can become one. Also, I'll tell you what it's like to be a cloud support engineer because I am also currently working as a cloud support engineer at DigitalOcean from last 1 year. So let's begin. So, what is a cloud support engineer? A cloud support engineer is someone who focus mainly on maintaining and troubleshooting cloud computing systems. And by cloud computing system, I mean the services that any cloud computing service provide, either it is storage, database, servers, or software as a service, or a platform as a service. So, for example, if you are the one who is hired for working as a cloud support engineer for storage team, so you will be the one who will be working on maintaining and troubleshooting any performance related issues, any storage related issues, or any security related issues in that particular vertical or in that particular team, to be precise. And next thing is you will be the one who will be communicating with the customers on day-to-day basis, and you will be the one who will be communicating with your internal teams as well. So it involves working with various teams and it involves working with customers. So the key responsibilities of a cloud support engineer are first one is troubleshooting, second one is monitoring, and third one is working on upgrades or deployments. For example, if you are the one who is supporting managed databases, or we can say AWS RDS in AWS company. And let's say there is a Postgres version upgrade which has happened for your AWS RDS. So if any customer comes up, okay, we are facing the issues with your upgrade, you will be the one who will be assisting those with such kind of issues. And also, whenever there will be any upgrade or there will be any deployment, you will be the one who will be participating in these upgrades and these deployments as well. So yeah, third one is deployment and deployment configuration and updates. And fourth one, I would say communicating with customers, communicating with internal teams. And the fifth one, I would say documentation and knowledge base sharing. So, whenever you review any documentation of any cloud service, or for example, if you are reading the documentation of the AWS servers that they provide. So those documentations are prepared or reviewed by cloud support engineer, and also you will be working with internal teams as well. So you will be the one who will be sharing knowledge internally regarding that product as well. So, which is why I told you like communication with internal teams. So these are the five basic things or five basic key responsibilities of a cloud support engineer. First one is troubleshooting, then monitoring, then configuration upgrades, or we can say deployment. And fourth one is communication, and the fifth one is documentation and knowledge sharing. And now I'll tell you how you can become a cloud support engineer. So, to be a cloud support engineer, first and foremost, you should have really good cloud computing fundamentals. For those fundamentals, you can refer any certification, any basic certification. Either it is AZ 900 from Microsoft Azure, or you can opt for AWS Cloud. AWS Cloud Fundamentals. I'm not sure about the certification name, but it's by AWS only. And the second thing is you should have good networking knowledge, like because most of the issues that you will experience on daily basis, they will involve working with different networks, and they will involve troubleshooting networking issues as well. For example, if the DNS of any host is not resolving, so you will be the one who will be troubleshooting these kind of issues. So you should have really good networking troubleshooting knowledge. And next to this, any programming language, just the basic knowledge of any programming language, you won't be asked to uh, code, like do any hard code, or like do any, in-depth coding for anything, but I'm pretty much sure that it will be helpful whether while reviewing any scripts or working with your internal teams on any product. And the next thing is you will need to learn operating systems. Either it is Linux or Windows. I would suggest to go with Linux and how you can troubleshoot these operating systems, because that will be the part of your job as well. And the next thing is basic knowledge, or we can say fundamental knowledge of databases. And by databases, I don't mean SQL, I mean the database engine. So if you are the one who is working in Postgres, you should know how Postgres engine works, what are the wall, what are wall files, what are wall logs, and how it works, and how files are stored in how tables are stored in Postgres, such kind of things. I won't go in depth in that. And the next thing I would say, you should have really good communication skills, as you will be the one who will be communicating with customers on day-to-day basis, and you will be the one who will be dealing with, or we can say communicating with your internal teams. And also you will be the one who will be working in knowledge sharing and documentation and all these things. So I think you should have really good communication knowledge. Coming to the bonus question, that is what it's like to be a cloud support engineer. I am working as a cloud support engineer from last 1 year, and I would say it's very exciting and it's very enjoyable job for someone who who has really good troubleshooting knowledge. Like from childhood, I was like very keen on all these computers and laptops. Like I used to mess up things in my computer, and then I was the one who was watching YouTube on the other side and resolving issues on my laptop on another side. So your job will not include troubleshooting all these issues, but I'm just talking about the problem solving skills, or like problem solving thinking, we can say. So, and apart from this, if you are the one who likes to interact with people, who likes to interact with various people, I would say, so this can be really good for you, because you will need to communicate on day-to-day basis with many people. And yeah, and also last but not least, it involves a regular learning, which keeps you going. So I'm the one who learns new things regularly. I'm the one, like, if even if you are facing, if you are facing an issue and resolve that issue, and you feel like it is worth sharing with your team that okay, this is the issue and this is how we can resolve it. So it involves knowledge sharing as well. So, and also learning new things daily. So I think it's really exciting and it's really enjoyable job to do. So now I'll wind up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for hanging in till now. And I wish you guys all the best. Bye bye.